Instagram 6 pic before July and 8 your sticker. So hello everyone, welcome to another Instagram video tutorial. I want to show you how to use and create the 6 pic before July and trend on Instagram. So this is the 8 US trend. You need to simply first open up the Instagram. So if you want to participate in this trend, you need to simply tap on your Instagram story. And now at the top left corner of the screen you notice that there is a template option, so simply tap on this one. Now go to the trending templates, and here you need to simply swipe the finger to the left side. So here you notice that there is a 6 pic before July and 8 year. You need to simply tap on this one, and now here you can simply capture new picture, or you can directly upload the picture from your phone gallery. So I want to just upload 6 different pictures from my gallery, and you notice that I can easily create the 6 pic before July end. So I want to make the complete black theme with the candlelight. So as you can see, I have uploaded 6 different pictures. So you can also move 8 viewers and also increase the size of the 8 viewers. So as you notice that 603k people are using this, so you need to simply tap on check mark, and now you can see I have successfully created the 6 picture template. Now I want to just tap on your story, and now if I go to the Instagram story section, so you notice that I have successfully uploaded the different 6 picture. So this is the new 6 pic before July and 8 years trend on Instagram. So you can simply tap on the people, and now here you will find all the story which are basically created with the help of this new trend 8 years. So in this way you can easily use the Instagram 6 pics before July and 8 years. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.